Okay, this is Weather Outlook, and this is your forecast from Thursday, August 21st through Monday, the 25th, and then I'll post a new one. This is for central Pennsylvania. Okay, now late Thursday afternoon here, we got a couple areas maybe of some sprinkles, but for the most part, most of the rain is done. This is later on this evening, and like I said, it could be a sprinkle or something out there, but no continuous heavy rains. This takes you overnight. This takes you all the way through Thursday, all the way through Friday during the day. Now we're into Saturday morning, and as you can see, there's nothing. And then as you get late in the afternoon, towards the evening, around 7 o'clock, a shower or two could pop up. There is a front to the west that's going to try to come through. This is around midnight. Most of the showers are to the north. But as you can see, here's kind of a line in here. Again, this is only simulated. It's not the best, but let's see if I can do better for you here. Hold on. Okay, now we look at the temperatures. This is evening hours around 7. Temperatures basically in the 60s, maybe right around Harrisburg, around 70 degrees or so. As we go in the overnight hours, it'll get pretty chilly in some of the spots. This takes you to around 6 in the morning. You can see a lot of 50s out there. The city areas like Harrisburg and, State College might get to, into low 60s, but pretty chilly out there, but not bad. Not quite even, it's not going to feel chilly when you compare it to next week. This is going to be a heat wave. So you'll see what's going to happen next week. I'll give you a little preview of it. If you look at the main video, I'll show you some of I go all the way into towards the end of the week in the main video, and I talk about the temperatures at night, how cold it's going to get. As we get into Friday during the afternoon time, temperatures try to make a comeback a little bit. As you can see, everybody's basically in the mid 70s, 80 around Harrisburg, which isn't all that bad. And Saturday, we'll move that into the afternoon hours. You can see it's a couple degrees warmer. Temperatures basically around the Susquehanna River, coming down from Wilkes-Barre and then out from western PA and down through Williamsport, right down towards Harrisburg. Temperatures there uh, right around 80 degrees, 82 in Harrisburg, 80 in York, and then around it, surrounding it is the upper 70s basically out there. Now we move on from Sunday into Sunday night. Temperature Sunday night basically upper 60s, maybe a 70 still hanging around there. But as we get towards the morning hours, you can see up this way towards Bradford and Warren up that way. You can see where it's a little bit colder. This is around 1 in the morning, Sunday night, Monday morning, and you can see the temperatures are starting to get closer and colder, 60s elsewhere. And then as we move this thing ahead overnight, you can see the front coming down, dropping down all this cold air. This is 40s up in this extreme northwest up here, dropping down. This is around 6 in the morning. Then during the day, yeah, it recovers a little bit during the day. The afternoon temperatures are basically in the 60s, but then as we head to the nighttime hours, this is when reality begins to pull in. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Okay. That's 40s, mid 40s for everywhere, except for down south central PA and over towards Reading and out that way. But the suburbs are down around 50. And then north of Harrisburg, temperatures are mid to upper 40s. Wouldn't doubt if we see a spot heading up towards Bradford out that way, the cold spots could hit 40. And that would be something. That's Tuesday. And that's just the beginning of it. Colder temperatures are coming in at night throughout next week, but it will recover for Labor Day. All right, everybody, take care. Be safe.